Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm glad that you could join me today. I've got a quick video for you, just some colors that I have mixed up. I'm going for a mixture. Of just your primary colors, the pink, yellow, and blue. And I've added glitter to each of them. I've got this glitter in the yellow. And I have this color in the blue and this one in the pink. And what I did is I just put a little bit of paint in my cup. Then I added my glue and water mixture, which is half glue, half water. And then I added a little bit of the M1, which is similar to Floetrol. My store doesn't carry Floetrol, so I got that instead. And we're going to do a puddle pour today and see how it goes. Okay, so I've poured all of my puddles and I'm going to run my finger through and mix them up a little bit. And because I have chosen colors on the cool side, I should get bright, vibrant colors when they mix. And if you have any questions on how to mix colors and stuff, I'm sure there's a video somewhere, articles, there's all kind of stuff for you to read to know cool and warm sides of colors and which to mix and what. But here we go. I will get some close-ups of this for you and post some close-ups on my Instagram as well. If you need the link, it'll be in the description below. Any questions, leave them in the comments. And I will see you guys next time.